DJM TV.
Sabi correct ogbonge country people, una welcome to our ogbonge daily news for DJM TV. My name na Stanley Okocha. Na me wan yarn una the ogbonge tori as e just dey shele so. Na about 400 people when dey stay for Foreshore Road, Lekki for Lagos State, na im no come get house to stay again, sake of say the men of the Lagos State Task Force when it concern environmental and sanitation enforcement unit don scatter and burn their house. The task force when still get ikelebe dem when country people believe say e come from the Maroko division of the Nigerian police enter the area come begin dey scatter and burn some people property. According to one man when dey stay for one of the house when dem scatter so, and when e no want make we call him name as him talk to us, say na only 24 hours the task force give dem to vamoose from their property. He come talk say the men of the task force tell dem say na because of the Lekki shooting wahala na im make dem dey scatter the house for the area. Him say na exactly 1:32 p.m. for afternoon na im the task force take begin break the fence when e dey for the houses and begin scatter all the house when dey for the area, and now e come say na about 400 or about 500 people na im no come get house again. Another man when e be say e still talk to our tori man when waka go the place sake of as e hear the breeze of the matter when dey shele, say the task force people as they come they say they no wan see anybody for any place when e near the Lekki toll gate, sake of say dem believe say na dem go talk against and dem go talk against government for the Lagos State Judicial Panel of Inquiry when they look and do check for the shooting when it happen for Lekki toll gate when the EndSARS protest dey go on. Im come still add say some people fit take their property comot from their house before they begin scatter them, while e come still talk say some no fit take anything comot at all before the task force begin scatter the property of the people. Im come say for instance him when dey talk so he no remove one pin comot from him own house because of the yafu security people when he miss with ikelebe and some other security men come full ground berekete for the place. Say na that one come make fear catch many of them when e be say they no fit go inside go remove any property at all. But the state police public relations officer Mr. Muyiwa Adejobi come say him never hear anything concerning the matter o. He come still talk say him go ask the task force before him go fit talk anything when concern the matter as e take shele. This one na him tell our tori man when he do waka go see am for him office. As the matter dey go, some Naija people don enter their Facebook page go throw their desperation for the matter. One person when they dey call Esther Baby Alonge write say the guys dey ready for Occupy Lekki toll gate protest when the organizer don yarn say na on Saturday wey be 13th of February na im dey wan take go occupy am unless government do wetin suppose to make sure say yes those people when dem shoot that time or when they injure for the EndSARS.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.